Walk me through Alcoa, sort of what was idiosyncratic and what is a really tough aluminum environment?
They were pretty straightforward. They are downgrading their 2019 outlook to as low as negative growth, so negative 0.6%. We haven't seen something like that in a long time. And really the focus that they kind of geared things toward in this earnings report was that they're going to try to do an asset, look at their asset portfolio and gain about $500 million to $1 billion in sales from that and use that cash for other things. But the real point here that analysts were talking about this morning was, yeah, that's great and fine, but near-term things look really tough. And everybody in the aluminum industry, from analysts to companies to traders, have told us now for months that this is not a space that looks fantastic. And I think Alcoa finally just confirmed that yesterday.
So do we get the sense it's a demand or supply problem?
Well, I think it's a little bit of both. Sure, China continues to produce a lot more, and that has been the story for ages. But really, we are seeing a slowing in manufacturing. We've seen the steel makers say, yes, the manufacturers are slowing, and Alcoa says this. And that really is a demand side thing, right? So suddenly, if you're combining demand and already increased supply, that's why you see people, they're really not touching this space at the moment.
The other interesting thing is what we've seen in iron ore. Like, not that long ago, it was $100 a ton prices is what we were talking about, and now that's been totally shifted. What happened there?
I think a big part of it is Vale finally getting back online, right? So about half of what they had taken offline because of the tailings dam is finally coming back. They've ramped up in other areas within Brazil, so that coming onto the market, in addition to Rio and BHP saying that they're continued to produce. I think BHP said they expect a 6% increase through June 30th of next year, which is kind of the end of their year. So everywhere we're just seeing supply coming back online in a space that had been worried for all of 2019 that maybe there would be a supply problem.